Moving abroad is an exciting adventure, but it comes with its share of financial challenges. One question that bothers everyone, including me, is how do I transfer money back home from the UK? Well, back in old days when I came here in 2010, I used to go back to SBI UK Bank in Harrow. They were like superheroes of money transfers because they gave us great rates. But guess what? Things have changed. With changing markets, everyone needed a reliable, hassle-free method to ensure our hard-earned money reaches our Indian bank account smoothly. So in this video, I'll explore two platforms for sending money from the UK to India and beyond. Hey guys, I'm Sarica and welcome back to Your Knowledge Buddy. I have good news for students who want to study abroad in any of these listed countries. My team can help you free of cost. So what do you have to do? You have to just fill the form which is provided in my video description and pin comment, and my team will reach out to you soon. My today's agenda is Agenda 1. What are the different modes of payment to send money online from the UK to India? Number 2. How safe is online money transfer? Number 3. Comparison of the best money transfer companies for pound to INR as of today. Agenda 4. Is there any limit to send money to India from UK? And my last agenda 5 is my recommendation at the end. So let's first start with Agenda 1. What are the different modes of payment to send money online from the UK to India? First is via banks. This is the most common way of transferring funds from UK. Most banks use the traditional SWIFT network for global money transfer. You can directly initiate a fund transfer from your personal bank account while you are in session on the website of the money transfer company. But the negative point as compared to remittance companies via this transfer is that number 1, their exchange rates are poor. Number 2, their fees are too high. Number 3, processing time is slow. Usually it takes few business days or more for delivery. Number 4, banks charge you hidden fees for your international payments, even though the advertisement might flaunt as fee-free transfers. There's nothing free here. So in short, banks aren't usually your best option when converting currency. Second option is via remittance companies. They are non-bank entities that use networks of agents and banks to process payments and transfers across borders. They provide good exchange rates with minimal fees, and even sending money via these companies is less time consuming and the money will reach your Indian bank account within 24 to 72 hours. In today's competitive environment, remittance companies are very popular these days. So today I'm going to cover some of the remittance companies and what are the benefits of sending money via these companies. After some research and making so many mistakes and losing so much money via bank transfer, I realized it's the remittance companies are the best option for international money transfer based on all the other factors that I have mentioned now. Now, there are many remittance companies available in the UK market. For example, Wise, which was known as TransferWise before, TransferGo, Western Union, Remitly, and iFast to name a few. Now, agenda 2, how safe is online money transfer? So just check one thing before sending via any remittance companies, whether it's FCA regulated or not. So what is FCA and how it's going to benefit you? FCA is Financial Conduct Authority of UK. It works in the financial arena, regulating any business or organization that deals with people's money, assets, or financial data, ensuring that there's protection for their clients and customers, and everything is done in an honest and fair way. It's same as RBI in India. So if any company is FCA regulated, you can send money with eyes closed because your money is protected. Moving to agenda number 3, comparison of the best money transfer companies for pound to INR. The exchange rate is not the only factor to be considered when sending money to India. One should consider the cost of each transfer, the speed of delivery, and the mode of payment as well. So I'll discuss about two remittance companies, Wise and iFast Digital Banking Service, and explain why they are better options than others. While Wise is a well-established company based in London with more than 16 million customers and help transfer money approx to 40 countries. You can use their mobile app on your phone or use their website where most money transfers are completed within 1 hour. So it is much faster than high street banks. In fact, you can also get a debit card from them which you can use to withdraw currency if you're traveling to different countries. For example, many students travel to the UK for higher studies every year, and I know there are so many of you who carry cash. So in such case, best option for you would be to use this debit card which you can use in the UK to withdraw pounds. Also, if you travel to any country, you can use this card for any transaction you like. Now, let's talk about the second app. The second app I'm going to talk about is iFast Global Bank, which is a digital bank that gives the protection and security of the fully licensed bank like Barclays and Lloyds, plus the cost savings and speedy delivery of the online money transfer companies like Wise and Revolt. They're also fully licensed UK digital bank and regulated just like Barclays and Lloyds. Also, some of the other features which is making it popular are it is free and fast cross-currency money transfers to over 30 currencies to overseas bank accounts and e-wallets for any amount. Yes, literally it's free even for £1. So it's very useful for those who need to send a small amount home regularly and won't be charged any fee at all. So let's do a quick comparison for £100 with Wise versus iFast as of today. On Wise, I see that for £100 to INR, I'll be getting 10,000 Indian rupees 670.60 paise. Now let's quickly check on iFast. From the screen, you can see that for £100, I will be getting rupees 10,738.96, which is more than Wise. In fact, I received the INR in less than 2 hours in my Indian bank account with iFast. I know my friends who received money in minutes, while some in 2 hours, depending on their local Indian bank. Also, other point to mention is your cash savings also earn good interest of up to 4.25% AER on the full balance without conditions and lock-in. You can see the big difference in earning the interest over the long term as savings increases. So because of all these reasons, I have started using iFast to transfer money to India. So tell me in the comment section which bank or remittance company you are using and why. Now, moving to agenda number 4, is there any limit to send money to India from UK? So firstly, there's no legal limit on how much money you can send money from UK to India. However, individual money transfer providers can impose their own daily or monthly limits on international transfers. When such remittance limits come into question, we need to look at the rules of the sending country, UK here, and the recipient country, which is India here. In the UK, there is no upper limit on how much money you can send overseas from the UK using any payment method, online transfer, wire transfer or cash pickup. Likewise in India, there is no upper limit on how much money you can receive in India, though you may be legally obliged to declare it for tax purposes depending on the source of funds. The last part of today's video, which is my recommendation. So before I wrap this video, I would like to give you some of my suggestions for money transfer based on my personal experience. Number 1, my recommendation is to always transfer money when the pound exchange rate is high. If the pound to INR value falls, it's better to delay the transfer and wait for the value of the pound to go up, as this will help you transfer the maximum amount of money and you will get a higher amount in India. Of course, if you have to send money urgently, you can do it at any time. Second, I discovered recently that if you want to transfer money from India to the UK, you can also do this via Wise app, which means you don't need to go to physical bank and fill the form and complete all those formalities. Everything can be done seamlessly via Wise. Third, always check for competitive price. Having many options from what I discussed to send money from UK to India gives you the freedom to choose the cheapest way to remit money without having to shell out more pounds from your pocket. For easy comparison of fees, exchange rates and speed of each transfer, you can visit www.compareremit.com. Also, you can download the app. That's all for today's video and I hope you found this useful. If you want me to cover the different saving options on how to save taxes in the UK, comment tax and I'll aim to make a new video soon. Thanks for watching my video till the end and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.